waste transfer stations are some of the hardest working facilities in the solid waste industry. Every day, thousands of tons of waste are dumped, pushed, and loaded across concrete tipping floors by heavy equipment. Over time, abrasion from loader blades and exposure to acidic leachate can rapidly deteriorate these surfaces, leading to costly repairs, operational disruptions, and unplanned downtime. To address this challenge, EREF-funded researchers evaluated a range of concrete formulations, repair materials, and protective strategies under conditions designed to replicate real-world transfer station environments. Simple design choices, including lower water-to-cement ratios, higher aggregate content, and the use of granite aggregates, can significantly improve floor performance and extend service life. The study also identified 10 practical recommendations to help operators select more durable materials and more effective repair strategies. For transfer station owners and engineers, this research provides actionable guidance to reduce maintenance costs, minimize disruptions, and build infrastructure that lasts. Read the full report at erefdn.org.